There was a question around what kind of queries would developers want to ground on. I want to call out that with this feature, there are two layers of control. On the first one is whether to have grounding on or off. And that's a toggle in AI Studio, and it's the decision to pass the grounding as a tool in the API. In addition, we have this additional parameter called dynamic retrieval. And what that parameter does is it lets the developer tell the system that even if search grounding is on, how often should it be invoked? So if you set the dynamic retrieval parameter to 0 or to a low value, then search grounding is invoked pretty often. And this might be a use case where developers just want to provide that richer layer of detail in their answers. On the other hand, if you set the dynamic retrieval parameter to a higher value, let's say 0.7, 0.8, then you're saying be selective about when you ground. And that might sort of correlate with use cases like recency. A question that has a high degree of recency requirements, that's a place where you know you need to ground because that might be beyond knowledge cutoff. And so this dynamic retrieval is an additional parameter which kind of lets people decide how often should grounding happen, even after it's turned on.